Hi, Bunny. How are you? Are you having a nice day today? Oh, it's raining outside? Okay. Do you like rainy days? Are you going back to school? Wow, that's great. Are you looking forward to that? Just wait a second. I'm sorry about that. You know what? When you sneeze, you should not sneeze into your hands. Use a tissue. Yes, that's good. You're using a tissue. Or if you don't have any tissue, sneeze into your elbow. So when you're back to school, do that. Don't sneeze into your hand, sneeze into a tissue. Ask your teacher for a tissue or carry tissue with you in your bag. Or if you don't have any, sneeze into your elbow. That'll be great. And have fun.